Alam mo ba, ang Pilipinas ang isa sa pinakamayamang bansa sa mundo when it comes to mythology? From powerful gods and goddesses, andyan si Bathala, the supreme god, creator of the universe. Si Tara, goddess of stars, hanggang sa mahiwagang nilalang sa kagubatan at karagatan tulad ng Kapre, Diwata at marami pang iba. These stories have been passed down for centuries. And now, they're coming to life on the big screen. DreamWorks is releasing an animated film called Forgotten Island, isang pelikula tungkol sa Philippine mythology. Puno ito ng iba't ibang kwento that reflect Filipino pre-colonial culture and beliefs. And it will shine on global screens worldwide on September 25, 2026. Sa wakas, the world gets to see the magic of our mythology. This is not just a movie, this is Philippine culture shared with the world.